Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome, and if not, then thank you for coming back and taking the time to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. On today's video, I'm gonna film one that was requested. It was a how to use products you don't like on your project pan. So I divided this in 5 tips or 5 advices for you guys, because I know that you guys think that I'm a super mega pro at panning, but anyone can be good at panning products. It just takes commitment in a way. So yeah, if you want to see my 5 tips on how to use products that you don't like on your project pan, then just keep on watching. If by any chance you love this look, I'm going to have a 3-in-1 makeup tutorial using the Soft Glam palette. So I'm going to have 3 looks, and this is one of the looks that you're going to see on that video. So if I already have it uploaded, I'm going to leave it linked below. But all the products that I have on my face, I'm also going to leave linked below. So the first tip that I have is you have to decide that you want to use them. So when you're choosing the products for your project pan, you have to choose the products. It's ultimately gonna be your decision what products you choose to go on your project pan. So if you hate some products, just add them because you really want to finish them. It sounds silly, but the first thing I can tell you to do is just commitment. You just have to want to finish them. The second one, and I know that this goes hand in hand with the first one, is mix it up. You don't have to grab all the products that you hate and put it in a project pan. That's gonna be preparing yourself for failure. You have to mix it up. You have to grab products that you love, products that are almost empty, and then products that you hate. If you do this, then the products that you love that are on your project pan are gonna help you with the products that you hate, and the products that you finish are gonna help you push some more to finish those products that you hate, because you want to finish everything on your project pan. It's about keeping you motivated to keep going on the project pan, because it's not easy. But if you set up with 10 products that you hate and that's your entire project pan, you're just gonna fail, because nobody wants to do a full face or most of your face with products that you don't like. It's just common sense. But if you don't do this, then mix it up. The third tip is remember to learn how to just not put that much pressure into yourself, because you have to learn when to take a break from the product. For you to have that product on your project pan, make the decision to use it. Mixing it up with other products doesn't mean that you always want to be using that product. So if it's a bronzer and it's your goal to finish it in 2018, for example, you can actually use other bronzers in your collection. Maybe you have to have one that you love in hand to mix it with that product, and just mix both bronzers to get a better look, or just to love it a little bit more, or just to not resent it as much, because as soon as you start resenting a product, then you will not use it anymore. So if you mix it with other products, or just don't use it every time and just change it for other products from time to time, you're not gonna be as bored with it, and you're gonna be more successful on your pan. The fourth tip, and I think this is the hardest one for us, because I think project planners, in a way, we take it so seriously that we just want to stick to it and suffer through it. But the truth is that you can actually learn how to let go of a product. If you really truly don't like it and you hate it so much, letting it go and passing it to someone that will truly use it, that's also a success. And that way you can add another product to your project pan that you're gonna actually finish or make a little bit more progress, and you're gonna end up removing products from your collection that you are not gonna use, and that will help you also with the purpose of project panning, which is using what you have in your collection and appreciating what you have in your collection. So at the end, that's what you're gonna do. So just learn how to let go and pass it to someone that maybe will love it, or maybe will appreciate it a little bit more. But the truth is that makeup shouldn't be making you unhappy. So just pass it on. Throw it away. Whatever you need to do, if the product is expired, throw it away. But if not, then pass it on to someone. I bet someone that doesn't have the amount of makeup that you have will truly love it, I won't even notice if the product is shittier or not, because they don't have that many products to compare it to. It's because we're picky. So if we hate a product, we think everyone is gonna hate it, and that's not the case. Anyway, we have different skin tones and skin types and everything. So somebody will love a bronzer that you find super orangey, or somebody will want to look orange, or somebody will love that this is a sheer product when you want it more pigmented. So just find the right person to give it to, and I bet they will appreciate it a lot more than you're doing. And then my last tip will be to find other ways to use that product. For example, if you have a setting powder that you don't like because it makes you look cakey, it doesn't really help you with your texture, it just enhances it, it makes you look dry, it makes you look patchy, it sticks to dry patches, whatever it is the thing that you don't like about that powder, use it to set your primer. Use it to blend your eyeshadow. You can use it even to tone down blushes or bronzers if you went a little bit out of hand. So there are ways that you can find to use your products with other products or for other purposes than what they were made for. This either can help you with products that you hate for their purpose, or it can even help you to finish other products, not even just the product that you hate, but if you have a bronzer that's about to expire and you want to finish it in 4 months, you can use it as a transition shade, you can use it as a bronzer, you can use it as a blush, you can use it to smoke your lower lash line, you can use it for everything and anything. You can contour with it, you can just find different purposes and the purposes that made you buy it. So this tip applies not only for products that you hate, but for all the products that you have on your product pan. Just learn how to put them to good use and find for them a lot of more uses, not just the ones that are obvious or that you think that are the way that you're supposed to be using them. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I hope I'm making you happy by filming your requested videos. Any video requests that you have, leave them down below. I always write them down, and I always try to make it work for you guys and just do it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is the only social media platform that I basically go to. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a video, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.